Christmas is right around the corner and I couldn't be more excited. I love Christmas and I love all of the meanings that it comes, but I also love decorating for Christmas. So I got this mini whimsical Christmas tree. It comes with a little ornament. It does come with lights. I do not have batteries, but it does come with lights so you can decorate it your own. It has this hard bottom so you can just set it down and it's not going to fall over or anything like that. It took me maybe 2 minutes to put together, and that's with fluffing it out and just sticking this top part on top of the bottom, and it took me no less. This is super good quality for a mini Christmas tree, and this just makes me want to decorate my entire house for Christmas right now. I can't wait to get batteries to put these in and then just put them all around. The lights do have different settings. You have a combination, you have waves, you have slow glow, chasing, flash, slow fade, and twinkle/flash, and then steady on, and then of course the off button. And you also have a 6-hour and an 18-hour timer, which is amazing as well. So if you're looking for a nice little mini Christmas tree, this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.